products like shampoos, like household products that you find under your sink, through cosmetics to pharmaceuticals, traditionally made by using a high shear mixer or a homogenizer, which uses a very fast spinning blade, such as you would see in your home blender, and you would use that to mix the product. You break the products up effectively. That's a very energy intensive process. What we did was to identify the possibility of using a membrane to do that instead. No high shear mixing, no energy wastage, while giving you very precise control over the size of the particles in your emulsion. We've gone on to use this technology for drug delivery systems, and in particular the RNA vaccine with which we're now all familiar, courtesy of COVID.
As a lab team, we offer formulation development or feasibility studies for our customers. We have such a wide range of customers. You have those who are really set in their formulation design, they know exactly what they want to produce, but they don't know how to do that. Or we have customers who are literally at stage one of their formulation design. They don't have a clue where to start, but we have the knowledge to be able to give them advice on where to go.
This is a company with which I'm having the most fun that I've ever had in my entire career. It's because these products have the potential to change the world.
I'd say the Wilton Centre is, it's a great place to be, especially as a smaller company.
Since we moved here, Wilton and the Pioneer Group have been incredibly supportive. They've met our needs, they've been flexible about changing where we've been accommodated, our growth, but also there are future developments on the site here at Wilton which we hope to take advantage of as we continue to expand.